How to use Blogger to create blogs. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to blogger.com, then you're gonna get redirected here. We're gonna have to simply create your free account using your Google account. Now as you can see here on the left side you have this dashboard, and as you can see here you have your posts, your stats, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. And then here you can view your blog. So as you can see, I have, this is my blog. Now if we go here, as you can see, to the theme section, we can select any of these free themes, and you can simply use this on our blog site. Then you have the layout. Here you can play around and add a gadget if you want, or if you want you can remove or edit different settings. As you can see here, you can change the blog title, you can add an image, and here you have the pages, all the pages. So if you want you can create a new page, and here as you can see you're gonna get redirected here where you can simply start typing in, and here you can start typing, and you can basically insert images, insert videos, and edit the text. As you can see, you can change the font and everything. Then you can simply click on publish, and basically this is how you can publish a page. And if you want to publish a blog post, you can simply go to post and click on new post, and then do the same thing again. As you can see here, I have this blog post. So basically this is an affiliate link. So if I click on this image, I'm gonna get redirected to this product page, and I'm gonna earn a commission if someone buys it. Now here you have the earning section. So if you want, you can create an AdSense account and start monetizing your blog with the Google AdSense. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.